Would you like to have a free QuickBooks Online account that you could use just for this course? Well, if that's the case, then stick around. I'm going to show you how you can create your own Plus version, free for 30 days, QuickBooks Online account that you can use for this course. If you have any questions about this topic, you can leave them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to help you. And of course, if you feel the video helped you, I hope you will click like and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos that come out all the time. I would like you to have a free QuickBooks Online account that you could devote exclusively to the use of this course. So I did my best to give you two options that would enable you to do that. Now, the prior video is an older video that I use to help all my students in any of my QuickBooks Online courses. And it shows you how you can sign up permanently for free if you use the Accountant's Edition. However, I would like to make the rest of this course with the Plus version of QuickBooks Online so that you can see two examples that we will work through together. The first example will be a job done from the regular main menu choices that are absolutely the same in the Accountant's Edition and the Plus version that I show here. But then the second version, or the second project that we go through, I would like to do the very same things, but open those very same windows from the Projects tab in the Projects window so you see how that would work as well. Then, of course, at the end, I'll give you your own little project and you'll work at it for self-practice where I'll give you the answers and help you find and fix your mistakes along the way. This way you can choose if you'd like to open the windows from the regular menus or open from the project window. And I will be reminding you during the course that both ways open and use the same windows and same reports that contractors need. So how do we set up for the Plus version? Well, first you must have an email address that you have never used before with any QuickBooks Online product. And the example company where the name that you will type in is Connie the Contractor. And once we log in and set up our account, we will put in this video the minimum information for setup. Now, the link is here in the description of the text of this video. And be aware, the link may change and you may have to Google it in order to find exactly where to sign up for your free 30-day trial version. Now, I have it here in my notepad and I'm going to copy it to the address of the browser. So if I bring this down here, you can see I'm pasting this in the browser address, and you could type it in, but again, the link is in the description. Now, why is it only showing Buy Now? You must go right here where it says free 30-day trial version and click on. When you click on, the colors change and things change on the screen, and then you can go to the Plus version and double click Try It Free. Now, when you try it free, you have to use a username and password for the username is an email address that you have never associated with QuickBooks Online. An email address you never used before will be your user ID. And of course, you want to confirm the email, and you could put in a mobile number to associate with your account so that if you forget your password, they can send you a text. And then, of course, you will have to decide on a username and password that will suit you and fulfill the standards here. So I'm going to put in the password that I'm using. I think I actually have to add a special character. There we go. Because it's not going to take the password that I put. And then I'm going to click sign up with email. And that's all you have to do. Make sure you click continue with trial. And as soon as you do that, QuickBooks Online is creating a brand new blank company file for you to use for this course. Now the name is Connie the Contractor. Okay, and then don't click anything else, just click next. Remember, we're putting in the minimum information. Don't click any of these because these will be explained in the very next video that you will see. So just click next. Okay, now you should also click owner so QuickBooks Online knows that you should have full access to everything without a problem, and you're approaching this course from the point of view of the owner. And then at the bottom, click no, I do it all myself, because we are learning how to do everything ourselves. Then there's a green button at the bottom, and you can click where it says all set. And if you wait a moment, congratulations. QuickBooks Online has created a blank, brand new QuickBooks Online account. You can just click this X. You don't have to click Let's Go. And as you can see, the left panel is exactly as what it was described in the previous video. Now, the last thing I suggest is that you bookmark this and make it your favorites so you can come back to it quickly. I happen to be using Firefox, bookmark this page, and you can call it QuickBooks-Connie so that you can come right back to it if you want to resume your studies. And the last final piece of advice is please make sure that you write down your password, put it in a notepad that you can copy and paste every time so that you can get back in to the account that you just created. Now if you're using the Plus version, everything should match the screen and you should be able to follow step by step.